When sizing wire for an air conditioning condenser, it's crucial to adhere to the National Electrical Code, or NEC. You mentioned a scenario where the nameplate rating states minimum amps 54, with a maximum of a current of 90 amps on a three-phase 120/240 volts condenser. According to NEC section 440.32b, the minimum circuit ampacity should not be less than 125% of the minimum circuit load. In this instance, the minimum amps are 54. To calculate the minimum circuit ampacity, multiply 54 amps by 125%. This gives you 67.5 amps. Since standard breaker sizes typically don't include 67.5 amps, you must use the next standard size up, which is 70 amps. Now, to determine the appropriate wire size for a 70 amp circuit, refer to table 310.16 of the NEC. Assuming you're using copper wire with 75 degrees Celsius insulation in a conduit, a number 6 AWG wire would be suitable for a 70 amp circuit. The circuit breaker size should correspond to the minimum circuit ampacity. Therefore, the correct wire size is number 6 AWG copper, and the breaker size should be 70 amps. Remember to always consult the manufacturer's instructions for specific equipment requirements and follow the NEC to ensure safe and proper electrical installation.